Talk about how can you find your watch history on your Instagram app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Instagram app. So all you have to do in the first, you just go down here, click on your picture down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign here, you click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You click here on your activity. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just scrolling down here. So until you will find here watch history, just click on it. So then here can you will find here or watch history you have. I have no reason to watch history in my account because it's new account, but if you have it, it's going to show for you here in this list. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.